السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. And this is our fourth lesson named as Tanween. So we will start Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As we learned in single Fathah, kasrah, dhammah. So if you see double Fathah, double kasrah and double dhammah comes, so we will call it Tanween. So whenever we will use the word Tanween, it will mean any of the possibility, double Fathah, double kasrah, double dhammah. So with Fathah, we know ba Fathah will sound like ba, and with double Fathah the sound will be the same. We will just add double N sound at the end. So ba Fathah was sounded like ba, and ba two Fathahs will be called ban. So if you will look at the spellings, I know if we will place U instead of A, it will be sound like bun, as in English there is a word bun. But let's suppose we put U there, bun, and we know with kasrah, ba kasrah sound like B, right? So when we will add two N sound there, it will become bin. So instead of E, I think I sound is more closer to bin, so we will replace it with I, bin, but initial sound will be the same with single kasrah. Ba kasrah, B, ba double kasrah will be called bin. And now we move to the next letter, ba dhammah called bu, okay, and ba double dhammah will be called bun. So you can see this U will actually in English wording it is more similar to the sound ban, but if there is another possibility, we can replace this B sound, if we use this U sound as the sound of this letter ban, let's say, and then the other possibility will be we can replace this U with the O sound, and then you can say this O sound, now it will still not sound like bone, it will be like bond, or just like the word bond. So we will always keep the A sound, regardless the U sound will be closer and U sound will be kind of exact sound for double Fathah, we will still keep the A sound. So you have to remember what was the initial sound, what was the sound of single Fathah, and you just have the replace two N sound at the end. You will add double N sound at the end, and that will be for double Fathah, double kasrah, double dhammah. So ba double Fathah will be called ban, bin, bun. Regardless, with A sound it is more similar to the like word ban, ban. But we are not actually mentioning an English word, we are trying to write an Arabic sound. So you have to remember how in the A letter will sound in Arabic. So it will be ban, bin, bun. And now we move to the word wow. Wow double Fathah will be called one, and it is also called in Arabic Fathatain. For kasrah, for double kasrah, we will call it in Arabic kasratain, and for dhammah it will be dhammatain. Tain means two, so fathatain, kasratain, or dhammatain. Okay, so wow to Fathah will be called one, wow double kasrah will be named as win, wun. I think if we will write O there, it will be like won instead of won. So that's why it's better if we just remember as what will be the actual sound of Dhamma, and for double Dhamma we will just add 2 N sound at the end, and that will be it. Fa double Fathah will be fun. So the similar problem there, it's the spellings are more similar to the word fan, but if we write for there fun, so how can we write the sound of fun? So then we can just only write with O letter, which will not be exact sound of double Dhamma. So similar thing is going to happen with each letter, but you just remember how a letter will sound in Arabic or with Fathah sound, and we will keep the same sound there. Fa double Fathah, fan, fa double kasrah, fin, and fa double Dhamma, fun. Next, tha double Fathah, than, tha double kasrah, thin, tha double Dhamma, thun, zal double Fathah, than, zal double kasrah, thin, zal double Dhamma, zun, za double Fathah, zon. Lip shapes will be rounded, we read it with bold sound. Za double kasrah, zin, za double Dhamma, zun. Okay, so I'm going to just put a line there so that this Z sound, this Z letter should be a little bit different than the other one. Za double Fathah, this is a whistling sound letter. Zan, za double kasrah, zin, za double Dhamma, zun. So I'm going to put a line there. The spelling should be look different. Okay. Sin, this is also a whistling sound letter. Sin double Fathah, san, sin double kasrah, sin, sin double Dhamma, sun. Ta double Fathah, tan, ta double kasrah, tin, ta double Dhamma, tun. Next, sad double Fathah, san, sad double kasrah, sin, sad double Dhamma, sun. Lam double Fathah, lan. The spelling are more similar to the word lane, but we will remember it as lan. Lam double kasrah, lin, and lam double Dhamma, lun. With the letter ra, ra double Fathah, ran. You can see it is in green, and with double kasrah it's in blue. It means it will be light sounded. Ra double Fathah, ran, ra double kasrah, rin, ra double Dhamma, run. Though the spellings of this word look more are these spellings are exactly like the word run, but if we replace it, the similar problem will happen again. Now we move to the letter Jim. Jim double Fathah, Jan, not Jane. Okay, Jim double Fathah, Jan, Jim double kasrah, Jin, Jin double Dhamma, Jun, not June. Okay, Ghain double Fathah, Ghan, Ghain double kasrah, Ghin, Ghain double Dhamma, Ghun. Kaf double Fathah, kan, kaf double kasrah, kin, kaf double Dhamma, kun. Then qaf double Fathah, qan, qaf double kasrah, qin, qaf double dhamma, qun, ha double fathah, han, ha double kasrah, hin, and ha double dhamma, hun. So there is another letter ha from the bottom part of the throat. So one H will come with a line on it and the other one without a line. So that will be the only difference. Hamza double fatha will be an, and we remember alif and hamza are the same letters. So alif, if alif comes with any fatha kasra or hamza comes, so the same sound will be appear. It is the same letter. So whenever alif comes, we will still read it like hamza. Okay, hamza double fatha, an, hamza double kasra, in, hamza double dhamma, un. Okay, so now these are not all the letters, but you got the point, like what type of sound each letter is going to give. You just have to add two n sound at the end. That will be the sound of double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma. The only difference is you just have to do little ghunna there. You have to do nasal sound, two n sounds there. Okay, like let's say there is a word alif with fatha, like hamza fatha a, ha fatha ha, dal two fathas. After double fatha usually alif comes. There is a different reason for that. You can see after double fatha alif comes like there. You can see after double fatha each alif is coming. So this is a different thing we will talk about in next classes. So alif or hamza fatha a, ha fatha ha, dal two fathas will be sound like dan. So we will read a word aha, dan. So basically we will not read with spellings all the time, like kaf two fathas, kan, not like that. We just need to remember the sound. So the spellings we do it just for the practice. So we can first do with spellings, like ba two fathas ban, ba two kasras bin, ba two dhammas bun, and then you will repeat the sound without spellings, ban, bin, bun, to practice how these letters will actually sound. Wan, win, wun, fan, fin, fun. So that's why whenever these letters will come, we will just read these are the words. So you can do spellings just for your ease. Hamza fatha a, ha fatha ha, dal two fathas dan. But in practical we will just do without spellings. Aha dan, aha dan. So you have to practice without spellings as well, just the sounds. Kan, kin, kun, an, in, un. That's it for today. InSha Allah, I'll see you in next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.